write letter?
Yes, sir, I can write a letter.
Can you drive a car?
No, sir, I cannot drive a car.
Could you operate the computer?
Yes, sir, I could operate the computer.
Could you speak English in the previous time?
No, sir, I couldn't speak English previous time.
Will you go to America?
No, sir, I will not go to America.
Would you stay at Rangamati?
No, sir, I will stay in Rangamati.
Where would you stay?
I will stay in...
I would stay.
Oh, sorry.
I would stay.
I will stay in Newtown.
Do you love to speak in English?
Yes, sir. I love to speak English.
Does your mother cook rice for you every day?
Yes, sir. My mother is...
My mother cooks rice
cook rice
every day for me. Oh, did you cook rice last day?
No, sir, I didn't cook rice last night.
Did you join the workshop?
Yes, sir, I joined the class.
I joined the workshop. How did you feel to join here? Have you understood all the classes?
Yes, sir, I have understood all the
Understood.
all the classes.
Okay. Have you enjoyed the class?
Yes, sir, I have enjoyed.
Enjoyed the class? Have they enjoyed the class?
Yes, sir, I have enjoyed the class.
They have.
Oh, sir.
Have they enjoyed the class? Yes.
Sir, they have
Enjoyed the class. Would you like to speak English with me?
Yes, sir, I would like to
Speak English with you. Would you like to go to America?
Yes, sir, I would like to go to America.
Would you like to get the scholarship for going to America?
Yes, sir, I would like to
Get the
the scholarship, go to America.
for going to America. Are you feeling boring to talk to me?
No, sir, I'm not feeling boring with talk with you.
Talk to you. Are you feeling good to talk to me?
Yes, sir, I'm feeling good to talk to you.
Is your mother playing? Is your mother playing guitar?
No, sir, my mother is not playing guitar.
Are you? Were they enjoying the class?
Sorry, sir.
Were they enjoying the class?
They
were.
enjoying the class.
Will you be waiting for me?
Yes, sir, I will be waiting for you.
Will you be speaking English with them?
Yes, sir, I will be able to speak
With them. Will you be able to operate the computer?
Yes, sir, I will be able to operate the computer.
Will you have to go to Borishal tonight?
Yes, sir, I will have to go to Borishal tonight.
Should you speak English all the time?
Oh, yes, I should.
Speak English all the time. Should you know how to drive a car?
Yes, I should know how to drive.
Should you have to speak English?
Yes, I should have to speak.
Are you forbidden to eat biryani?
No, sir, I don't forbidden to take biryani.
Biryani. Is your mother forbidden to go to the doctor's chamber?
Yes, my mother
Is not forbidden to go to doctor's chamber. Is she likely to come join with us next workshop? Do you need to improve English?
Yes, sir, I need to improve my English.
Is every man supposed to take the class today night?
Yes, every man is supposed to join
with us today night. Are you supposed to go to America next year?
Yes, sir, I'm supposed to go to America the
next month. Do you need to improve a lot?
Yes, sir, I need to improve a lot.
Do you need to earn a lot of money?
Yes, sir, I need to earn a lot of money.
Does Miss Ruma need to go to America? Yes,
sir. Yes, Miss Rinapu needs to
go to America. Does Apu need to speak English with you?
Yes, Apu needs to
speak English with me. Does she need to buy a year ticket for going to Australia?
Yes.
Yes.
She needs to buy a ticket for going to Australia. Do you try to learn English?
Yes, sir, I'm trying to learn.
Do you try to speak English?
Yes, sir, I'm trying to learn.
Do you try to adjust with the environment?
Yes, sir, I try to adjust with us.
Very good. Are you willing to speak English with me?
Yes, sir, I'm willing to speak with you.
Are you willing to join with us?
Yes, sir, I'm willing to join with us.
Are you willing to be the instructor of LME International?
Yes, sir, I'm willing to.
B মানে হওয়া। এই যে B এর পরে আমরা জাস্ট একটা নাউন এক্সিটিভ বসাই দেব। Do you want to be a doctor? Are you willing to be a doctor? Is she willing to be a doctor? B দিয়ে হওয়া। Is she willing to be an engineer? সে কি ইঞ্জিনিয়ার মতো হতে চায়? Are you willing to be a player? তুমি কি খেলোয়াড় হতে চাও? Yes, I am willing to be a player. No, I am not willing to be a player. মনে থাকবে? মজার না? Is it high time to learn English?
Yes, sir, it is high time to learn.
Is it high time to marry?
No, sir.
It is not high time to marry. Is it high time to earn money?
Yes, sir. It is high time to marry.
Earn money. এবার আমাকে প্রশ্ন করতে হবে এটা নিয়ে ধরো। Clear? We need to remove the nervousness today. আমরা আজকে আমাদের nervousness যা আছে সব মাটি দিয়ে এখান থেকে চলে যাবো। রাজি আছেন তো? Okay, হ্যাঁ, please. একদম, হ্যাঁ।
Can you speak with me?
Yes, I can speak with you.
Could you take tea?
No, I couldn't take tea.
Will you go to America?
Yes, I will go to America. No, I will not go to America. Okay?
Can we speak with me?
Yes, I can speak with you.
Could you take tea every morning?
Yes, I take tea every morning.
Will you go abroad after learning English?
No,
Will you go abroad after learning English?
yes, I will go after learning English.
Would you like to talk with me?
Yes, I would like to talk with you.
Will you be able to a lot of money?
Yes, I will be able to a lot of money.
Why do you want to a lot of money?
Why?
Should we go right now?
Yes, I should go right now.
হ্যাঁ, পারফরম্যান্স এনজয় করো। সবাইকে
Would you like to go Australia?
Yes, I would like to go Australia.
Would you like me to go Coxbazar?
Yes, I would like to go Oxford.
Are you willing to talk a little bit, sir?
Yes, I am willing to talk with Mobashir sir.
Do you want to a lot of money?
Yes, I want to a lot of money.
Are you trying to learn English?
Yes, I try to learn
It
English.
is time to improve ourselves in English.
It is a high time to improve.
Is it high time to learn English?
Is it? Yes, it is a high time to learn English.
Are you confident to all the classes?
How are you, Mr. Mithun?
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Thamari Kokshamari Chudunmukti.
Why do you want to learn English?
English is an international language. Without English, I cannot go abroad. If I will go abroad, I cannot get opportunity. I cannot talk with foreign people, and I cannot get a manage good job.
Would you please share with us that how did you feel to join in here, and is here really taught something and not according to you?
According to me, I will not be able to express myself in words or not enjoying the class. Really, this is the right place for learning English. That's all.
Okay, so why every person should learn English according to you?
According to me, without English, you cannot good facilities, good job. If you would like to go abroad,
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Nilphamari. So why have you been in here? How have you known about the Alame International?
I'm likely to go abroad, sir, after learning English, so I need to English. If I know English, so I will good facilities.
For getting the scholarship. Which country do you want to go?
I would like to go, sir, Australia.
Australia. Would you like to apply with the job visa or a student visa?
Sir, obviously, job.
The job visa. Okay, fine, that's good. Why do you want to go to Australia?
Sir, situation is not very good and not perfect in jobs. I cannot job here, so I would like to go abroad and I achieve much money and support my family.
Do you have any job experience?
No, sir, I have no time.
So first of all, you have to train yourself in work. If you are willing to go abroad, that means you should be adept in any sector, such as you can be electrician, you can be butcher, you can be a general worker. You should have a knowledge about the computer, much more. Or that if you can speak in English, it will be plus point for you, man. Okay. So those who are willing to learn English, what's your suggestion to with a view to them? How they will be able to improve themselves?
First of all, we need to practice more and more practice. I'm request my friends, all of them, if you want to go abroad, you could improve yourself in English. This is the right place, and consult with Mobashir sir. This is the best suggestion for me, all of my friends.
Thank you very much. A big hands for him. তার জন্য আপনারা তালি দিয়ে দেন ভাইয়া চলে আসেন, আপনি চলে আসেন, you guys, আপনি